Hello, in front of me I have Polar Ignite and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with an iPhone via the Polar Flow application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the application to send the notifications to our watch. Okay. To do it, first I'm gonna turn off Do Not Disturb mode because we don't need it. It's gonna be in the way. But now let's open the settings on our iPhone. So I'm gonna open the settings. In settings, scroll down, find the list of applications at the bottom, and right here on this list find the Polar Flow, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled. Also tap on notifications and make sure that the allow notifications is enabled. Once you're done, go back to settings, scroll all the way up, tap on Bluetooth, find the Polar Ignite on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, and if you see only forget this device button, you can go back. But if you see the option that says allow sharing notifications or something like that, you need to enable it. It needs to be enabled. But if you see only this, we need to go to the Polar Flow application, open it, close this. In the app, we need to tap on More Options icon, then tap on the devices. Now you should see the device page for your Polar Ignite, and here find the option called Phone Notifications, enable it. Then we need to sync our watch with our iPhone. So to do it, simply press the back button and press and hold it to enter the pairing mode on your watch, and it's gonna connect to a phone. We'll start syncing. And once it's done, the settings should be applied. Now we got the pop-up about the permissions for the notifications. As you can see, allow it. And we can go back to settings, check if the option shows up. So go back, open this menu again. So find the Polar Ignite, tap on info, and as you can see, we have the share system notifications option now, and make sure that this option is enabled. Okay, and once it is, the notifications are enabled, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna open the Discord on my iPhone. I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and we should get the notification on our watch. We got the notification on our phone, and when we wake up the screen on our watch, we have this dot right here, jumping dot. This means that we have notification on our watch, and if we swipe up from the bottom of the screen, you should open the notifications menu, and here we have our notification. We can tap on it to read it, clear it. We can also scroll down and tap on clear all to remove all of the notifications. Okay. And that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.